All right, this is the backend code that we have written as a part of the shopping cart application for the week 4 project. We have written that in Node. So this is the basic skeleton to uh, give us a good picture of what's going to be happening over there. We don't have any real data as of now to work with, but this is a basic framework, and we'll be building on that and coupling that with our Angular front-end components to build the project. So coming to that, we have the main app.js file inside our project file. So this is going to be only on the foreground of the project. So as you can see, we have only written only minimal amount of code to just get it barely running. So everything else that has to be taken, the input validation, fetching the data, passing views, rendering views, and passing data through those views will be obviously taken care of by Angular. And in order to pass data to that Angular components and views, we will be using this controller file, not this alone standalone, but we'll be mostly making use of various controllers to send the data to the uh, Angular components and Angular services, for that matter of fact. And we used MongoDB for the it's a we used the MongoDB database provided by MLab, that's hosted on the cloud. So and we have this is the schema for the registration. We got first name, last name, phone, email, and password. All this data will be stored in the database, and when the login user actually logs into the database, logs into the website, this data will be fetched again from the database, and his or password, email and phone number, you can, as per the requirement document, he's supposed to be logging in with either his email or his phone. When he does that, we'll actually fetch these three columns from the um, database and cross-reference against the values if he has entered any, right? And then we'll be authenticating the user based on that. And the other teammates have actually worked on the front-end components, and you can see their work when they talk about that in their video. And so this is a basic outlook. So app.get is actually isn't required, so because all that fetching will be done by the Angular as such. But post, yes, we require, because when you go to the login page, obviously you have to get that and authenticate the user. We will be writing the code for that. As I said, this is a basic rough skeleton of the code that we have written. We are still to process that data, connect that with that, and we'll be doing that by end of today. Thank you.